In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fully delete your Facebook account. And the first step is to click on the top left. And then what we have to do is we scroll down all the way till we see this option, which is called Settings and Privacy. You're gonna click on that. And then we're gonna go to Settings right here. After we have done that, we see the Account Center right here, and we're gonna click on See More in Account Center. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit until we see the personal details right here. We're gonna click on the personal details, and then we're gonna click on Account Ownership and Control. And here you can actually, you click on the bottom option, which is called deactivation or delete. Because we want to delete our profile, we click on the bottom option, and then we select our account that we want to deactivate or delete, in this case delete. We're going to click on that, and now we have to click on delete account right here, and then we have to click continue, and then you can see your Facebook account info will be deleted and everything will be deleted. And after you have done that, you just click on continue, and then you can delete your Facebook account. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.